Let's see what we can find. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna swatch these in the order that you see them here. You guys, look at the sparkles on these. You guys know this is my favorite. I'm definitely picking it up. It's the last one on the show. And I want to try the Westman Atelier concealer. So I'm gonna check out some shades on my arm and choose one. So I swatched T3 and T4. All right, so this is T3. I'm gonna go in with one of their lip wands to get a tester. I don't have anything on my face except my sunscreen and my skincare from this morning. Let's see, that's way too much, we know that, but it's totally okay. Let's see what it looks like. Let's just see, let's try to blend it. It blends very nicely though. I don't know, this one might be good for brightening. Okay, this is T4. All right, let's go outside in the natural light and we'll come back in the store. We're gonna see what T3 looks like versus T4. Go with me. I'm just going to look at the light. I'm being right back in my basket. Okay. Actually, they both look good. Let me see if I can get some light. I think T4 would be better though. It gives more coverage, looks like. We will see. Let's go and ask them what they think. Right, so this is T4 and this side is T3. Let's swatch this lady here.